Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. 6:47. It's time for your weather and traffic on the 7th. Today, we're kicking off the work week with some beautiful weather conditions, looking at mild weather persisting until at least Wednesday. We're looking at some sunny skies today, some dry conditions, and then some light breezes as we look towards our next storm system. So your Monday looking pretty good across the region. We are going to see upper 60s to low 70s, looking at 68 Santa Teresa, 69 Anthony, 68 Las Cruces, 70 in Hatch. And as we head out to El Paso County, we're looking at 70s as well. 71 Fabin, 70 Clint, 70 Socorro, 74 Bliss. So overall, a nice, comfortable day today. We're going to see temperatures a little warm today, but we are going to see some breezes accompany the temperatures that we are experiencing today. So those breezy conditions really expected to kind of kick off about 9 a.m. according to this model, our future track wind gust model. You can see El Paso seeing about 25 miles per hour for those wind gusts, 23 miles per hour for those wind gusts Las Cruces, which again is a breeze. So advancing this model, you can see those numbers fluctuate a little bit, but for the most part, these breezes remained mild to a little bit on the stronger side again as they fluctuate, but not really seeing them advance into a wind as of yet. So your Monday again looking very calm, and it looks like these conditions are going to continue into your Tuesday. Now your Tuesday, we're going to see these wind gusts scale back just a little bit, so overall just nice breezy conditions over the next few days. Now looking at our skies with our future track clouds and precipitation model, not looking at any rain chances over the next 3 days at least, and we're looking at clear skies, not seeing much in the form of clouds as we advance this model. Looking at Monday, 7 p.m., looking at very clear skies for the majority of the day. You might see a cloud or two, but overall, again, very comfortable conditions. El Paso expecting to see a high today of 70, and Las Cruces expecting to see 69 for today. Now, throughout the rest of your morning, of course, we will continue to see these temperatures warm up, looking at 50 in the 7 o'clock hour, reaching 65 by 11 a.m. Here's a look now at your 7-day future track sponsored by Mattress Firm. We're going to see 70s over the next 3 days, mostly clear skies, some light breezy conditions, very comfortable, very beautiful for the start of your work week. Now come Thursday, we are going to see those winds intensify. Then come Friday, we introduce some slight rain chances into our forecast. Michael?